Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can trade on Uniswap using MetaMask wallet. It's pretty simple and easy. Once you are on the app Uniswap or uniswap.org, you want to launch the application here. After this, you will have this page where you can see it is trade and you can go ahead, send, buy, limit, or swap. So for today, let's swap. And now you can see you can connect here. Click on here and connect your MetaMask wallet. Click here. Now, once you will be connected, you will see here at the top that you can go ahead and click on it. And this is the networks which are on MetaMask and on Uniswap, which you can go ahead and choose. Every single coin is on different networks. So, for example, this PayPay coin is on Ethereum network. Now you need to make sure that you have, for example, ETH on base network. So we want to go ahead, for example, to Binance, click withdraw crypto, choose Ethereum and choose network base and enter your MetaMask wallet address. Now, after this, once you will have ETH on your MetaMask wallet, you want to go ahead and select a token, which would be, for example, let's choose Bread. It's on base wallet. And after this, you will be able to enter the amount which you want to go ahead and buy. And that's how much bread you will get. You can also go ahead and choose a max slippage. You can do an automatic one or a custom one. So the max slippage is basically that your transaction will revert if the price changes unfavorably by more than this percentage. So you can always leave it on auto if you want to. And that's basically it. That's how much gas fee is. As you can see from base network, the fee is much less than it would be on for example, Ethereum network. And that's how you trade on Uniswap. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.